Hey guys, good evening. Welcome back to this week's cleaning motivation. Today I have for you a video that's going to include a few different things. It was supposed to be a whole house clean with me, but I ended up doing a few tasks that I haven't done in a while, like hanging up this decor from Dollar Tree that I bought a couple weeks ago, cleaning under the couch, and then getting a few nasty areas together, like the trash can, and redecorating my little kitchen area and getting all that winter stuff out. I also have some like aftermath of when I went through some clothespins from downstairs, from summer clothes and hand-me-downs that I went through, because I did a second laundry declutter after the last one. I just did it this week. And then the rest of the house is just regular mess. This is the typical messy house that we have. It's not too horrible, it's just things that are just laying around, and I just really needed to get it taken care of. So I will get to the rest of the house in a few days, but Savannah also didn't want to film her room. I don't know what her deal was. She didn't feel like filming, and I wasn't going to bother with her. She just picked it up a little bit herself. So I hope you enjoyed this week's cleaning motivation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're not already.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real.
I just wanted to hop in here and quickly note that I have not cleaned under this couch since the last video that I did do it, which was I think a month or two ago. So that's the literal mess of what ends up down here when I just don't move the couch. So we all know what can happen when the little couch monsters come out to play, so I'm challenging you this week to clean under your couch and give it a good wipe down, sweep, mop, vacuum, whatever you need to do, just get it done. A quick tip I have for cleaning underneath your couch, if you don't have attachments or something, is to use like a big feathery duster. That'll help you get all the junk out from underneath there.
I don't need a hit to believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging, and you can be my fame. Don't need a fast car to imagine I'm tripping. You can light it up, girl, I ain't the guy judging. And baby, that's all me, I don't need a boost. This is every part of me and everything I do. If it's the money part you're digging me, I will take you to a place downtown. But if you don't like all the bling you see, I'll show you my little smoother side. And when we are out cruising, you don't need my hand to hold. I kinda like what we're doing, how this story will unfold. If you wanna join, I am open for business. business. I can be your gun, baby, you'll be the trigger. Let's put up a show that we'll never forget. And yeah, baby, there's no shame. We'll take it as far as we want to, so listen. Stop at any place that is better than prison. Put it all on me, I don't need the booze. This is every part of me and everything I do. If it's the money part you digging me, I will take you to a place downtown. But if you don't like all the bling you see, I'll show you my little smoother side. And when we are out cruising, you don't need my hand to hold. I kinda like what we're doing, how the story will go. Let's take off where we started, me and you and our bodies. Hurry up and let's not waste no time. Cause I don't need a hit to believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging. And you could be my fame. Yeah, you could be my fame.
There's also no point to have a clean kitchen if you have a stinky trash, right? So don't forget to clean your trash cans at least like once or twice a month or as needed, just to keep that bacteria and those odors away. I just use regular old dish soap and I put it in the tub, and you can wipe it down, or if you're where it's warm, then just set it on your porch and it'll be ready in about 10 minutes.
You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah.
So do you guys notice those little spots there next to my counter there on the wall? Those are from the Dollar Tree supposedly damage-free hanging hooks. Well, they definitely weren't damage-free. They took the paint off my wall in 2 different spots. So if you get these, definitely try to stick to the 3M or use them on non-paint surfaces.
It's how you make me feel, yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, cause you make it real, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You're changing me, day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah, yeah.
like to be a different side of me, yeah. Inside your bedroom, we stopped counting the days.
So I just want to take a moment to give some appreciation to the silicone drain stopper. I'm really loving it more than the metal one because it doesn't have the little rubber thing on the bottom, and it always seems to collect smell, which makes me believe that obviously it's collecting bacteria. So I just went ahead and decided to ditch that, and this one has been a lot better at not only stopping all the food particles, but it doesn't smell either.
Sipping on your low, I never dare to ask if we're gonna last. I'm needing all your low, needing all your low. Oh, when you go, oh my God, you know you're playing your cards so right. Oh, I am a sucker for hearts, just in the dirty clubs and diamonds. Take me, oh my God, oh, but we'll hold our faces straight. Oh, I am a sucker for hearts, I'm a sucker for hearts. Your blood is pumping, I feel it in your veins, surfing your heat waves. Your taste is different, somehow it makes me brave. Chemical nature, don't wanna move too fast. Your lips on the floors, sipping on your low, sipping on your low. Oh, when you go, oh my God, you know you're playing your cards so right. Oh, I am a sucker for hearts, just in the dirty clubs and diamonds. Take me, oh my God, oh, but we'll hold our faces straight. Oh, I am a sucker for hearts, I'm a sucker for hearts, hearts, hearts. I'm a sucker for hearts, hearts, hearts. I'm a sucker for hearts. Oh my God, I'm a fool, thought I'd never fall into you. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. It's so cruel how I'm loving the things you do. Ooh, yeah. Oh, when you go, oh my God, you know you're playing your cards so right. Oh, I am a sucker for hearts, just in the dirty clubs and diamonds. Take me, oh my God, oh, but we'll hold our faces straight. Oh, I am a sucker for hearts, I'm a sucker for hearts.
So I've definitely been more busy since going back to work, so everything's kind of just been up in the air schedule wise, like my sleeping patterns. So in order to just cut down and help us all out a little bit, instead of folding the clothes and putting them in the drawers, I've been putting them into outfits already, between 5 to 10 outfits per child, and then just hanging them up so they're ready to go each day, and they could just pick out their clothes too if they want. So thank you guys so much for coming along with me today. I really hope you were inspired today to get something done and got some motivation to handle something around the house. Let me know down below what you think of this type of video with the more relaxed type of music and like laid back type of chill style. Also, let me know one of your favorite cleaning essentials, whether it be for cleaning or laundry, because I'm thinking about trying some new things. So I just want to thank you guys again for all your love, support, and encouragement. And I just want to remind you that change is inevitable, and you know, growth is up to you. So have a good one. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special.